The Monroe Strut-Mate 903932 mount provides a solid factory-style upper strut mounting point that restores proper suspension geometry and steering feel. Its advanced rubber and metal construction is engineered to cut down on suspension noise and harsh vibration, giving the cabin a calmer, more refined ride. This mount is built as a direct replacement for the original equipment part, so it fits correctly on compatible Monroe struts without odd modifications or shims. Monroe includes high-quality hardware and related pieces where needed, which makes the installation process straightforward for a home mechanic or professional shop. The mount is designed to work in harmony with Monroe struts as part of a complete suspension refresh, helping all four corners of the vehicle feel more controlled and predictable. Backed by Monroe's long experience in ride control components and tested for fit and performance, this mount offers dependable durability for daily driving conditions.